Namaste. All of you are welcome to today's IT class. Last class we have discussed about database and the tables. What do you mean by database? The collection of tables are called a database. What do you mean by table? The information can be arranged in the form of rows and columns are called a table. We have discussed about LibreOffice Base. LibreOffice Base is a software used to create database. Last class we have discussed about how we create a new database and how we create new tables into the database and how we insert the values into the table and how we get some specified data from the table based on some specific conditions. Okay, these all things we have discussed in last two class. Today we are going to discuss about some other properties in the database. Going to open the database that have been created in last class, library.odb. Open the database. We can see the options table, queries, forms and reports. The three properties table and query and the form that have been done in last two classes. Today we are going to do report. Okay, table is used to create the table and query. Last class we have created two queries that can be shown in the area. Then form is used to insert the values. Then final property is report. Click the report. It is used to prepare the report for the table values. Then click use wizard to create report. So we get the report wizard. The first box show the name of the table. Then the second box containing the name of columns in the table. We want to convert the names of columns to the second column. So select each names and press the single arrow. So it's converted to the second column. Fields in report. Okay, first convert the book number, then name, then author, then cover. Okay. So the report containing four fields, book number, name, author, cover. Then press the next button. Then press the next button. The report containing four fields. Then press the next button. Then here select the name of the column that based on display the reports. Then by set the another column name, select the another column name. Here the report displayed based on ascending order of book number. Then press the next button. Okay, then press the next button. Okay, next is design of the report. The default design is tabular. So many designs are. If we want the design, select the suitable design for the report. Then press the next. Here, give the title of the report. Automatically there is a name, book underscore table. Here also I give the name underscore report. Then press the finish button. So we get the report. In this report, the values without any arrangement. Display the values without any arrangement. If we want the arrangement, minimize the window, then goes the report option. Then select the report, then right click, then edit. So we get the design of the report. In this, the cover photo can be adjusted by using just to drag the outlines. Okay, just to drag the outlines, then adjust the photo size. Just adjust the photo size by dragging it. Then save, file, save. Then minimize the window. Then minimize the window and goes to the report. Open the report. Okay, we get the report with an arrangement, but in this, all the field containing the headings. Okay, in this report, it's containing 5 book details, but all the details containing with the headings. Okay, for avoiding it, goes to the report options, then select the headings. Just to press the shift key and select all the headings. Then it moved to the page header. Then select all the headings and just move it to the page header. Move it to page header. Okay. Then save this. File. Save. Then minimize the window and goes to the report. Open the report. Okay, we get the report with a single headings and arrangements. Okay. Okay, just to close this window. Then save the report. File, save. Okay, namaste.